All right. Can two other people come up to demo the next few? All right. Excellent. Okay, so the one we're going to do is the quick release. This is generally caused because someone, this is generally caused, it's a follow-up to the hesitate almost. You hesitate and then you pull. So I just want, this is just so people see what it's like. So if you two could quick release, like half a second. not quite, but do you see, has anyone been in a situation where they've been guilty of a quick release?
Yes.
Yeah.
So it's just generally in a hug, it's something to avoid. You don't want to release quickly. Now, I want you to try to, you want to hug for at least 2 seconds. You're going to do the quick release. Okay. All right. So it makes, how did that make you feel when she let go?
I guess maybe if I wasn't paying attention, I wouldn't have noticed.
Right. Okay. He makes a point.
So you wouldn't have noticed that you actually hugged? Or?
No, that she had let go.
Oh.
If I was really adamant about the hug.
Are you that selfish about your hugs in general?
If I'm enjoying the hug or not, I may not realize she's
that was kind of a loaded question.
Yeah.
That's not.
It's not appreciated.
All right.
Sorry.
She proceeded to the limp fish, if you may have noticed. Oh, good. That was one of the hugs. That's one of the good hugs. That's a makeup hug. All right. Well, we'll get to that. Actually, that was perfect, but we'll get to that again later. I'll discuss the makeup hug. All right. So she proceeded to the limp fish after. So that's a situation. The quick release is another situation where the limp fish might be